If you look over here, we see that hundreds of protesters have met.
The media doesn't quite pick it up. I've had opportunities to do interviews with ABC, CBS, NBC. They'll ask me one question, but they'll put a different answer in it, so I just stay away from anything mainstream.
In terms of the wider media coverage, completely shocked, actually, partly by how little coverage there is, because this is a completely monumental thing that's happening here. It's on a whole other scale here in terms of how manipulated the coverage is, and therefore how people perceive what's happening here.
Yeah, I got back to the medic tent after getting maced a couple nights ago. You have kind of two groups of people I've found. One are incredibly protective and hesitant and cautious. On the other hand, when you're actually on an action, when you are kind of in the trenches, they're incredibly receptive. They want to tell the story. They know that this camera is able to tell a story that they may not be able to. If there's just all this action but no storytelling, then a lot of it goes to waste. What I find is the deeper to the shit that I can get, the truer the story is, and that's all I need.
Oh, do I look like I just got out of bed? Probably, right? Convincing people that they are guests of the Lakota people and therefore need to follow the rules. A lot of media come in and they are upset about the stricter rules that we have now. They say, oh, but the story's not getting out there. No one's here to tell the story, but there are hundreds of media in camp. We've heard extensive reports that that law enforcement broadly have been targeting journalists, photographers, anyone with a press badge. We have no way to confirm those reports necessarily, but it does seem that they have been disproportionately detained, at least, if not outright arrested. I think the best thing media can do is not focus on the violence. The police brutality is really, really important part of the story, but the much bigger part of the story is that there are thousands and thousands of people that come here. This place is like a heartbeat. I think that this story is getting told in a lot of ways, and some of them are more responsible than others, and some of them are more accurate than others. But I think that overall, without the media coverage, this wouldn't be having the impact it's having. This is not